Kondagaon, 25th March 2021. 17 vehicles were set on fire, one by a group of 20 armed Naxals in broad daylight at Kuyemari, a completely unconnected area hitherto. By intimidating the labourers involved in the construction of a road from Batrali, National Highway 30 to Cherbeda under Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana. However, this region is also home to places of immense natural beauty. Just 500 meters from this spot cascades the Kuyemari Mirdeh waterfall, which witnesses a weekly footfall of 500 to 600 tourists today. Combating Naxalism through tourism by generating livelihood opportunities has been the district administration's key strategy. Today, the Maari area of the Keshkal block of Kondagaon, where 20 waterfalls were recently discovered, which were earlier completely unknown and were not mapped on the map of Chhattisgarh tourism, buzzes with tourists from within as well as outside the district. These tourism efforts are powered by the local youth themselves through Paryatan Samuhs to engage the local youth who would possibly turn to Naxalism. Village-wise Paryatan Samitis were constituted. The Samitis have full responsibility to manage, clean and maintain the tourist spot in their village. The Samiti also provides lifeguard and security services at the site. Kondagaon is renowned for its art forms, namely bell metal, wrought iron, tumba art, terracotta, wooden art and bhitti chitra, native to the tribes of Bastar. Hence it is also known as the Shilpa Nagari or the craft city of Chhattisgarh. Around 1,000 artisans spread across 95 villages of Kondagaon district. To promote Kondagaon tourism and create a brand name for the district, the logo of Mava Kondanaar Paryatan was formed, which truly depicts the reality of Kondagaon as a union of nature and culture. Mava Kondanaar tourism has been taking giant strides in developing beautiful tourism avenues in this region. Tata Maari serves as the gateway to this wonderful world of Kondagaon, where tourists can enjoy the view of the hills at Manjhimgad or take a break along the way at Limdhara.
यहाँ ये एक नक्सली प्रभावित क्षेत्र है और इस प्रभावित क्षेत्र में हमारे युवा उन्हीं की ओर अग्रसर हो रहे थे। तो जैसे ही यहाँ समिति का गठन हुआ तो जो अपने युवा साथी हैं और बेरोजगार लड़के हैं उन लोग मुख्य धारा में जुड़े हैं, जिससे इनके आर्थिक विकास होगा। यहाँ पर्यटक आते हैं, उनको मार्गदर्शन भी मिलेगा, मार्गदर्शन के साथ साथ लोगों की इनकम भी बढ़ेगा।
Through these avenues and by engaging the local youth, Kondagaon has successfully started to counter the adverse effects of Naxalism on society.
जैसे वाटरफॉल चालू हो गया तो वहाँ से यहाँ टिकट काट रहे हैं हम, उससे रोजगार मिल रहा है हमको।
तभी यहाँ टाटा मारी में हम लोग काम मिली से तो भटके की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी, सब पास में है इनसे।
Total 11 waterfall samuhs have been formed, giving livelihood to 131 local youth of Keshkal and Kondagaon. Some samitis are able to even earn around 1 lakh rupees per month. Through the increased footfall of tourists, business of over 25 lakhs was done in the year of 2020-21. New avenues of livelihood have generated revenues not just for the local bodies, but for every local individual employed.
वन विभाग के पहल से हमको जो है मार्गदर्शन किए और उसके बाद जो है हम सभी गांव वाले मिलकर एक समिति गठित करके अब इसको जो है संचालित कर रहे हैं।
People once had severe hesitations to visit Kuyemari and Katulkasa waterfalls, but now 1,000 to 1,500 tourists are visiting these places monthly. Tata Maari, on other hand, hosts around 8,000 to 10,000 tourists per month. Kondagaon hosted more than 1.25 lakh tourists in the year of 2021. The district administration has also invested around 2.5 crore rupees in developing 12 waterfalls and other tourist sites to provide basic facilities like drinking water, approach roads, pagodas, sanitation and security facilities. The continuous movement of people other than locals is acting as a deterrent to the Naxal activity and at the same time the locals are getting exposure from the people coming from outside the village. Development of the tourism industry in the Maari area will indirectly open a Pandora of opportunities for other skilled and unskilled locals alike. It is giving an alternative to the local youth and acting as a source of liberation from the vicious cycle of Naxalism and lack of livelihood options. Kondagaon Paryatan, Prakriti और संस्कृति का मिलन।